While designing Clermont, we ensured that Clermont is a modern home. So right from the selection of the materials used, right from way the planning stage to the landscaping or the clubhouse, it's future ready. This is a project you should come and experience. I have seen a lot of people just trying to get the families to enjoy the landscape, to enjoy the clubhouse. When we conceived this project, we tied up with Saint-Gobain and we put up performance glasses.
With Saint-Gobain, our relationship goes back to years and years actually, and so far it has been a wonderful journey for both Saint-Gobain as well as SNN.
The beauty of the Saint-Gobain glasses is they are double glazed. So the moment you close them, you do not hear any noise. The noise reduction is easily up to 90-95% or even more. Sometimes you don't even need to open the windows to enjoy the beautiful Nagwara lake. The glass itself is so clean, it's so easy to maintain that the clarity and purity of the glass is always maintained.
And the sunlight will not obstruct you in sense, the heat will not bother you because we've already cut down the UV rays. So you start enjoying the environment. So it's a mix wherein you get in the nature elements and you get in the modern technology and you try to marry and see that what can be done.
Lot of natural light coming in. Of course, it has Saint-Gobain glass, so it has UV protection. So I have my curtains open at all times. The light energy that I'm using inside is very, very bare minimum, which contributes to the sustainable development of the environment.
We always believe that design is the silent ambassador of any brand, be it real estate or whatever you are associated with. And to continue this, we look forward to launching few more projects, and I am sure that Saint-Gobain will be holding our hands and taking us to complete the journey for the next phase as well.